Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our class for today. This is Teacher Shai, and welcome to our online class. All right, so before we start, I would like to ask everybody to please type your English name and a number in our comment section. Okay, so before we start, I would like to ask everybody, how are you today? All right, so you are good. You feel okay. All right, so today we are going to talk about things in the classroom. All right, so things, okay, things that you can find in your classroom. Okay, for example, what are the things in your classroom? What can you see in your classroom? Me, books. Books. What else? Notebooks. What else? Table, right? Table, chair. Those are things, the things that you can find in your classroom. Okay, so we will identify some things that you can find or you use during classes, and then we will use. Okay, we will learn how to use different sentences. Okay, so we will start with vocabularies. All right, so say it together with Teacher Shai. Okay, mine. Okay, all right, so the first one is computer. Computer. All right, computer. Very easy, nah? Computer. Next, eraser. Eraser. What is eraser? Eraser like this one. Nishimai. Eraser. Next, book. Book. Good job. Notebook. Notebook. Okay, so let us look at first now. Remember. When we say book, look at the book. Me words. Okay, there are words inside a book. Whereas if we say notebook, may me. Nothing, because that is where you write. Okay, na? Notebook, book. Notebook, book. Okay, all right, so this one, very easy. Calculator. 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 Okay, so calculator like this one. Now you use it to calculate. You use it to calculate. Calculator. Calculator. Okay, good job. Next one. Oh, very easy. We use it to say the day. Today is, what day is today? Today is Tuesday. Calendar. Calendar. Okay, calendar. Today is Tuesday na, but may check April. Okay, next one. School bag. School bag. Okay, school bag, very good. This is where we put our notebook, book, pencil. Next one, pencil. Pencil. All right, pencils, like this one, pencils. Remember, not the tip of the pencil. Okay, and then pen. Pen. Okay, pen is like this. I think you know now the difference. Pencil, pen. Okay, all right, next one. Scissors. Scissors. Okay, scissors. Cut. Sharpener. 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 Okay, sharpener is used for pencils, Hermione. Okay. Next one, bin. Bin. That is where we throw That is where we throw trash ใช่ไหม trash throw in the bin okay next map map okay map all right so a map is where we can see different or locate different countries now for example where is Thailand Thailand oh Thailand can you see Thailand I cannot see oh ani siya may? No, I don't know. Where is Thailand? Okay, so this is where you look at different countries. Okay, na? Map. Map. Good. Next, ruler. Ruler. Okay, ruler, we use it to measure things. Okay. All right, so let's say the vocabularies again. Okay, Mai, you say it. I think you already know these things, so please I will help you say it. Okay, now first one, 1, 2, 3. Computer. Okay. Okay. Next, eraser. Okay. Book. Again, 1, 2, 3. Book. Okay. Okay. Next, notebook. Good job. Next one, calculator. Calculator. Okay. Next, calendar. Okay. One more time. Calendar. Okay. Next, school bag. One more time. School bag. Okay, good. Next, pencil. Okay, one more time. Pencil. Okay, next, pen. Pen. Okay, next, scissors. Scissors. Okay, now miss. Scissors. Okay. Sharpener. Sharpener. Okay, next, pin. Pin. Next, map. Map. Enough. P. Map. Okay. And ruler. Ruler. Okay. Okay, now remember to say it. Ruler. Ruler. Okay, now R, ru, and then la, le. Ruler. 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 Okay, Mai? Don't forget na, ruler. All right, next. Now, what are the other things? Other things that are seen in the classroom that we can see in the classroom, but not in here. May any. What are other things? Other things that you can find in the classroom. Other things found in the classroom. May any. We have this is a file like chair. Chair where you sit down. Chair. And then table where kian table. What else? What else can you find? A lot na. Pencil case, color pencil. What else? Paper. Need teachers write paper. Need paper. Other things that you can find in your classroom. Okay, if you have any suggestion, you can drop it on the comments. Okay, all right, so let's go to our sentences. Now we have three sentences. So we use the sentences if we want to borrow. Okay, now borrow. So for example, teacher says, okay, write in your notebook. Here in your notebook, may pencil. Okay, may no pencil. You borrow to your classmate. Okay, you borrow like you borrow borrow, you lend to your classmate. Okay, I have me 3 pencil. Okay, my me pencil. Okay, give to you. My me pencil. Okay, borrow to you. Okay, my. All right. So let's look at sentence number 1 now. Everybody, let's say A. Do you have extra? Do you have extra? And then you say what you want to borrow. So for example, do you have extra pencil? 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 So for example, pencil extra. So for example, na ani, I use and then I have 2 more extra and then I lend it. Okay, extra. Okay, I only need 1. So these 2 are extra. Okay. Okay. Difficult to mind. It's okay. All right. So extra, it means, oh, all right. That is your homework. Okay. Search in the dictionary. What do you mean by extra? Search in the dictionary. What do you mean by extra? All right. So letter A. Do you have extra? And then you say, like, extra pen, extra pencil, extra, what's this? Eraser. Okay, na? And then if you have, B will answer. If B has extra, me extra, okay. All right, na? Okay, B will say, yes, I do. Yes, I do. For example, do you have extra pencil? Yes, I do. Okay. Letter A again. Can I borrow it? One more time. Can I borrow it? Okay, so it means I will only borrow 1. Okay, because pencil is singular noun. Singular. Singular noun, eraser, singular noun. Okay, all right. And B will say, sure, here you are. Sure, here you are. Okay, Mai? Again, 1, 2, 3, A. Do you have extra? Okay, let's say pencil na. Again, A. Do you have extra pencil? B. Yes, I do. Can I borrow it? Sure, here you are. Okay, mine. Okay, all right, next. Example. Okay, for example, ani. A, may me pencil, okay? So A will say, do you have extra pencil? B, yes, I do. Okay, A again, can I borrow it? Sure, here you are. Okay, sure, here you are. Okay, my borrow, lend. All right, next. Sentence number 2. Okay, if you want to borrow 2 things, if you want to borrow 2 things, okay, 2 things, 1 and 2. So for example, it's still the same. Do you have extra and Okay, B will say if yes. Yes, I do. A again will say, can I borrow them? Okay, we use them because you are borrowing 2 things. 2 things or a plural noun. Okay, Mai? So what are plural noun like? Scissors. Okay, so in this case, I will borrow 2 things. Do you have extra pencil and eraser? Do you have extra pencil and eraser? See, 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, Mai? And B will answer, yes, I do. Can I borrow them? Can I borrow them? 1, 2, Shmai, them. Them. B, sure, here you are. Okay, Mai. Example. In an example, Ani, this is A and this is B. All right, so A says, do you have extra pencil and eraser? Do you have extra pencil and eraser? B says, Chai me. I have. Yes, I do. And then A will ask again. Can I borrow them? Can I borrow them? B says, sure, here you are. Sure, here you are. Kujay mai? Understand? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. And we have sentence number 3. Okay, sentence number 3. If, for example, you ask your friend, do you have extra eraser? Do you have extra eraser? Okay, and do you have extra eraser? Mechay, not eraser, let's change. Do you have extra pen? Okay na? Do you have extra pen? Do you have extra pen? And then, maybe, okay, for example, do you have extra pen? Maybe, I only have one. Okay, I use only one. Maybe extra. Only one. Okay, ma? All right, so you say maybe extra. Sorry, I don't. Okay, sorry, I don't. Sorry, maybe extra. All right, so again, let's read everybody. Do you have, letter A, do you have extra? Again, one more time. Do you have extra? Okay, na? Pen, pencil, color pencil, sharpener. But Mimi B says, sorry, I don't. Sorry, I don't. All right, and A will say, oh, may palay, it's okay. All right, A again, it's okay. Okay, ma, example. So we have, this is A again, and this is B. A says, do you have extra ruler? Do you have extra, do you have extra ruler? Sorry, I don't. Sorry, I don't. All right, A will say, it's okay. A again say, it's okay. All right, so, na? Okay. Oh, we actually have 5 sentences. All right, so just remember now, first one, when you borrow. Okay, do you have extra pencil? Yes, I do. Okay, can I borrow them? Sure, here you are. Do you have extra pencil and eraser? Do you have extra notebook and book? Yes, I do. Can I borrow them? Yes. Sure. Am I? Sure, here you are. Okay, Mai? Remember na? If you are asking for only one thing, then we use can I borrow it? But if you are borrowing 2 things, can I borrow them? Okay, not them. It kag them. Okay, Mai? Okay. All right. So, but if you don't have, maybe extra. Sorry, I don't. Okay, now remember. All right. So let's proceed with our 2 more sentences. So in this 2 sentences, sentence number 4 and number 5, you're gonna ask, who owns? Okay, who owns the thing? So for example, Ani, who's this pencil? Who's this pencil? Whose pencil is this? Teacher Shai Shimai. Ni. Whose eraser is it? Teacher Shai. Right? Ni. Whose pen is it? Teacher Shai. Okay, Mai? So we use the sentences to ask who owns the thing. All right, so letter A. Okay, now just like what I said, whose, and then you say the thing, is it, if it's only one. Whose pencil, whose eraser, whose school bag, whose calculator, whose map. Okay, we put here the thing, and then is it if it's only one. Only one. Okay, singular noun. Okay, singular. All right, and how do we answer? It's name with apostrophe S and then the thing. So for example, we say, whose pen is it? It's Mark's. Okay, now it's Mark with an E. Mark's nothing pen. Okay, just one. All right, now. Okay, so for example, whose? All right, so for example, we say, Anina, for plural. Okay, now for plural. So we say, whose books? Okay, books siya may book. Oops, sorry. It's okay, may palay. Whose? Okay, wrong. Okay, so we say, whose pencils? Okay, so let's say pencils. Pencils is a plural form. Okay, it's a plural noun. So when we say one pencil, 1, 2, 3 pencils. Okay, mai? One pencil, 1, 2 pencils. Okay, so that makes it plural. Okay, mai? Okay, so for example, we say, whose pencils are they? So if you're asking, whose 1, 2 pencils are they? But if you say, whose Nina 1 pencil is it? Okay, mai? May S. All right, whose, for example, let's use paper na. Let's say, whose paper? Okay, na nung 1 paper is it? But if I say the new 1, 2, whose papers are they? Okay, mai? Papers 1, 2, papers 3 are they? Okay, but if I have only one, whose paper is it? Okay, mai? Okay, good job, very easy. And then it's the same, we use their marks again. Their marks, pencils. Okay. So it means these pencils are marks. My Thai teacher said marks pencil. Okay, so for example, okay, so for example, Ani sentence number 4, we say, Anina, look at here. Whose pen is it? Ani, whose pen is it? Whose pen is it? It's Alaya, Teacher Shy's pen. This is Teacher Shy's pen. Okay, my pen. Okay, my Teacher Shy's pen. Okay, for example, sentence number 5. How do we use Okay, now another example. So we have here 3 people: Hart, Anna, and Jake. All right, so this one here, A, is asking, whose school bag is this? Whose school bag is it? Okay, na sorry. Whose school bag is it? Okay, whose school bag is it? Whose scissors are they? Okay. Sorry. Okay. All right, so whose my child? Uy! Happening. All right. So, whose school bag is it? Ani, whose school bag is this? Who owns this school bag? All right, let's see na. Oh, so whose school bag is it? Who owns a school bag? Is it Anna? No, it's Jake's school bag. Okay, na? It's Jake's school bag. Okay? Now another sentence number 4. Ani sentence number 4 is for plural. Okay, plural. Pencils, scissors, sharpeners. Okay, Mike. Whose example? Whose pencils? Whose pencils are they? Whose pencils are they? Who ani? Whose pencils are they? They're teacher size pencils. Okay, mine. They're teacher size pencil. All right, so another example, the same. So we have Hart, Anna, and Jake. Now, whose scissors are they? Scissors is a plural noun, so we use are they. Okay, so whose scissors are they? Oh, Jake's? No, it's their hearts scissors. Their heartsใช่ไหม hearts scissors. Okay, all right, understand. Activity. Let's go to our activity for today. Now, Anina, it's the same now. So we have here 5 people. We have Megumi, Isabella, and then Mark. This is Emma, and this is Gon. Now the teacher, Sensei, the teacher asked, number 1, whose books are they? Whose books are they? Okay, now how do you answer this question? They are books. Okay, my technique. Number 2, whose notebook is it? The teacher asked, whose notebook is it? It is notebook. Nah? Number 3, whose calculator is it? Whose calculator is it? It is calculator. Number 4, whose rulers are they? Whose rulers are they? Their rulers. Number 5, whose sharpener is it? Whose sharpener is it? It is sharpener. Okay, don't forget na apostrophe S. So, okay, now watch closely. Watch closely. Whose books are they? Whose books are they? Whose notebook is it? Whose calculator? Whose calculator is it? Whoops, sorry. Oh no. Whose rulers are they? Whose calculator? Whose sharpener is it? Okay, Mai? All right, so you can only answer the activity if you watch the video. Okay, you need to watch the video first to answer the activity. Okay, Mai? So use the sentence to answer the questions. Okay, use this one. What's the number 1? Whose books are they? Whose books are they? How do you answer? Their marks. Their marks. She might add apostrophe S. Their marks. Yes or no? Okay, na? Okay, try to answer it on your own. All right, so thanks for listening, everyone, and I hope you have learned something for today. If you have any question, if there are things that you don't understand, please type it in the comments, okay? May kujay shimai? Okay. Comment, okay? All right, so thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.